Losing power while you are trying to merge onto a busy highway is a terrifying experience that often starts with a fuel rail pressure sensor error known as P0191. This code means the incoming signal from your fuel rail pressure sensor does not match what the engine computer expects to see based on how the fuel system is supposed to be performing. It is a very common issue for both gasoline and diesel engines built after the year 2000, and it can be caused by something as simple as a loose wire or as serious as a failing fuel pump. When this happens, your malfunction indicator lamp will glow bright, you will feel a major lack of power, and in some cases, the engine will crank over for a long time but refuse to start entirely. The causes range from actual high or low fuel pressure to a damaged sensor, or even a vacuum leak if your particular sensor uses a vacuum line to regulate pressure. Start your diagnosis by locating the sensor and checking the electrical connector for any green corrosion or burnt pins. Sometimes a bit of electrical contact cleaner and some dielectric silicone compound are all you need to fix a bad connection. If the wiring looks clean, you will need to use a mechanical fuel pressure gauge to see if the actual pressure in the rail matches what your scan tool is reporting from the computer. They should be within 5 pounds per square inch of each other. If the mechanical gauge says the pressure is fine, but the sensor says it is wrong, then the sensor is the culprit. However, you must be extremely careful if you own a common rail diesel engine, because that fuel rail is holding over 2,000 pounds per square inch at idle, and can exceed 35,000 pounds per square inch under a heavy load. That much pressure can literally cut through skin and cause severe blood poisoning. So if you suspect a high-pressure fuel issue on a diesel, please take it to a professional. If all your physical tests pass and the code stays, you might be looking at a hard reset of the powertrain control module or a full replacement of the unit to get your car back on the road safely.